What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video we're going to be doing the marker lamps or the tag lamps or license plate bulbs on my dad's 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. So let's show you the bulbs. So here we have Auxito LED bulbs for license plate bulbs. They are 194 bulbs. I'll link them down in the description below. You can get yours down there. So let's get these put on. So we have two license plate bulbs on this Ram 1500. All you're gonna do is you're gonna reach up behind there and you'll feel a plug. I'll see if I can show you too. Feel the plug, you counterclockwise twist, and you pull it out. I don't know if you can see there, but I got the bulb right there in my hand. The bulb is just in here. Pull the bulb out of the socket itself, just like so. So I just pulled the bulb right out of the socket there, and we're gonna set that off to the side. So grab one of the new ones. We're gonna stick it right in there where you pulled the old bulb out. It goes in a little tight, so we're gonna stick it in there. Back to where we got it. I'm doing this all by feel, but I'll show you on the passenger side what it's supposed to look like under there. So now I have it in there. I'd actually want to see the difference between the two. So let's look at that first, and then I'll show you how to do it underneath on the passenger side there. And the light's on. We'll see the difference. Oh yeah. Look at that, much brighter on this side than on the stock bulb there. That is nice. Shoot, this is like brighter than both of those combined. So let me show you underneath how to get that out and replaced, and then we'll look at it once it's finished up. See how it looks. Yeah, that's way brighter. So there it is right there on the passenger side. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna twist counterclockwise, pull that out, and there's the bulb. So now that we have access to the bulb here, I'm gonna pull it right out of the socket. And there we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright, I'm going to twist it back up in there. So I'm going to take it, get it up in there, spin it clockwise, and it's in there. There, that's done. Alrighty, that is much brighter now. That looks really good. I like that. I think my dad's going to like it too. So, like I said, 194 bulbs for the license plate bulbs. Got those installed. So, if you want to get these bulbs, head over to Auxito.com. There's going to be a link below to the exact bulbs. And check them out. If you like them, you can order them. And then you can put in the discount code TheWiscoGuyz and get yourself 15% off your order for these bulbs or whatever bulbs you have on your vehicle. So definitely check them out, and yeah, if you like what you see, cop yourself a set. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out Auxito, subscribe to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching. You have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.